This is How to Minwax. We're going to show you how to apply our wood finish water-based color stains like a pro. You'll also need medium to fine grit sandpaper, rubber gloves, Purdy synthetic brushes, a drop cloth, stir sticks, a few lint-free rags. Okay, ready to start finishing? Let's do it. There are 3 simple steps to staining: prep, stain, and protect. So we're going to start, of course, with prep. Before sanding, make sure the wood is clean and dry. Then start with a medium grit sandpaper and increase grit as you go. You should finish with a 220 grit sandpaper. Then clean off all the sanding dust. When the wood feels smooth, condition with our water-based pre-stain wood conditioner to help you reach the most uniform color. Allow 1 to 5 minutes to penetrate and then wipe with a lint-free rag. After 15 to 30 minutes, lightly sand the surface with a 220 grit sandpaper and wipe off the sanding dust. Thanks for watching.